Hello guys, I'm Azhar and in this video I'll teach you abstraction. So as you can see, we have previously met these three classes: the shape class, which is the parent class, and rectangle and triangle classes, which are the child classes of the shape class. And here we have met objects of these classes. Let's move it to here. So here we have a function called calculate area function, and it is different for all the three classes. For example, the calculate area function of shape do different work, and the calculate area of rectangle calculates the area of rectangle, and the calculate area function of triangle calculates the area of triangle. What if we make this class public? What will the user do? He just have to make the object of this class and call the calculate area function. So he is just concerned with this making object and calling the function. He is not concerned with what is happening inside the calculate area function. As here, as you can see, area here is equal to length times of width, which is the area of rectangle, and here area is equal to length times of width whole divided by 2, which is the area of triangle. So the user do not need to know what is happening inside this calculate area function, how it is working. He is just concerned with the making object and calling the function. He should not know what is happening inside that function. He just need to know the name of the function to call. So what we are doing here, we are hiding this data from the user. As you can see, we are hiding this, that how our function is working, what is the algorithm of our function. So in this way we can hide data from user, and this is called abstraction. It is a very important concept in object-oriented programming. If we do not want to show our algorithm to user, we can hide it using this abstraction. So this is called abstraction, and this is the benefit of object-oriented programming. For example, we have another function which is a very complicated function, and we have developed a very complicated algorithm for that function. The user is using that function by calling the name of the function. So it can be the algorithm of, for example, image processing. Now we have made a function for that algorithm, and the user, what will the user do? The user will just call that function and the function will do its work. The user do not need to know what is happening inside that function. Now if we have made that algorithm, and after some times we have made another better algorithm than that, which is more efficient than that. So what we will do, we will just change the algorithm here, and the user is not concerned with that. We can change it to anything else. We can change it to for example some more efficient algorithm than the previous one. So it will not affect the user. The user will just call the name of the function and the function will do its work. The user is not concerned with how the function is doing that work. So in this way we can make changes in the function without affecting the user. So for example, if we take the example of this area function, we can make the function, we can change the function here. For example, I can write here len instead of length, and I can write wid instead of width. So it will not change here the functionality of this function. The user will just call that function and the function will do its work. So this was all about abstraction. I hope that you will have liked this video. If you like it, so hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.